Hai, saya Fitri.
Dan saya Fahmi.
Jangan lupa untuk mendengarkan My Sukan bersama kami Double F setiap hari Rabu 10 hingga 11 malam.
Dan yang pastinya ada pelbagai informasi menarik berkaitan sukan dari dalam dan luar negara. Semua ini dan banyak lagi bersama dengan kami
di Perak FM untuk koma aja.
This time for Africa. Relax way.
Ya, Perak FM hiburan informasi untuk koma aja. Jam 10 malam macam biasa setiap hari Rabu rancangan My Sukan bersama dengan Fitri juga. Hari ini semangat lain macam.
Biasalah. Sebab hari ni kita rasa seronok lah.
Ya,
dalam konti kita ni.
Berbesar hati kita kat konti ni.
Sangat-sangat
senang dapat, tapi hari ni kita dapat.
Ya, betul.
Dan kalau nak saksikan kita punya live FB, terus pergi ke Facebook Radio Malaysia Perak FM. Dekat situ ada live. Dah tahu dah siapa tetamu kita. Dan tanpa melengahkan masa, sebab demo dah tahu kan.
Datang daripada pukul 7 sebelum maghrib sebenarnya dah hampir.
Ini namanya
tapi
sharp.
Tapi kita baru lagi kita wawarkan lah.
Player bola dia memang kena sharp.
Betul.
Tidak kena denda.
Sebab coach pada kat sini.
Coach itu yang awal laju semua tu. Dan kita nak ucapkan selamat datang untuk pasukan Perak FA. Bersama dengan kita hari ini ada 4 orang
yang cukup penting lah dalam pasukan sebenarnya.
Semuanya dah sampai di sini. Kita ada Coach Mehmet Durakovic. Hi Coach.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. It's good to have you back.
Thank you. Good to be back.
Okay, juga bersama dengan kita Kapten pasukan Perak FA, Shahrul Saad aka Badak. Apa khabar Badak?
Baik. Semua apa khabar?
Sayu-sayu. Dan juga dua muka baru untuk pasukan Perak season ini. Kita bersama dengan Antony Golec.
Yes, hello. Thank you for having me.
Dan juga Chantha bin.
Hello.
All good?
Yes, good. Yes,
okay.
Good. Thank you.
We begin with Coach Mehmet. How's pre-season so far?
Very well. So far, very good. We just got back from Singapore. We played 2 games there. We drew one against Balestier and we won the last game against Geylang United 4-0. So very happy. On and off the pitch, the players were professional.
Yeah.
Get together. We got very good foreigners. We got very good young players coming through from the youth teams. So very happy with the performance of all the players, the commitment, the atmosphere, the team bonding. I want to have a big family this year. So I cannot ask for anything better. The trip was very good and we've come back, everyone okay, and looking forward to the next game, which is against Kedah. So the trip was a very, very good trip for us.
We're going to talk about the game against Kedah this Saturday, the Unity Shield. But first, new import player this season. How are they performing right now?
Very well, thank you.
Happy?
Look, they haven't been with us for that long, but very good experienced players, played in Australia, and we also know Thierry that he's played in Malaysia here as well. So very happy to have them on board. It will take time. They're still not 100% fit, but we went to Singapore all together, get to know the players with the young players from Perak, and especially these two and Guilherme from Kuala Lumpur. So I know him very well. I had him at Selangor. So very happy with my signing, and hopefully they can do a very good job. But they are very good people, very good players.
Okay. Any injury update right now?
We've got a few injuries. Hafizul is still injured, so he's coming along okay. Amri got injured in the first game in the first 15-20 minutes. So we had to play with a third choice goalkeeper. But okay, this is football, and keep my fingers crossed nobody else gets injured. But like I said, I'm very happy with the players that I have, and we've got a lot of young players, especially players from Perak. So we're trying to keep the local players from Perak, and something like 90-95% of the players are from Perak, the local players, and with the foreigners, experienced foreigners, I think we can have a good season this year.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, dan seterusnya kita nak tanyakan kepada Shahrul Saad lah. Okay, pengejaraan pemain-pemain seperti Brandon Gunn, Nasir Basharuddin dan juga Noah Kemasan. Jadi sebagai ketua pasukan, macam mana anda melihat perkara ni?
Okay, maknanya diorang memang bagi saya satu pembagian yang agak besar lah. Kerana pasukan Perak ni kita seperti keluarga. Kita buat semua benda bersama. So perginya diorang tu memanglah agak terasa. Tapi bagi untuk diri saya sendiri, kami kena harus profesional. banyak lagi peluang dan pemain-pemain yang akan ambil peluang jika diberi peluang dengan coach nanti. Dan saya rasa pemain-pemain yang ada ni pun mampu menggalas tugas seperti pemain yang dah tak ada bersama Perak tahun ni lah.
Dan kita pun sebenarnya mempunyai bakat-bakat muda yang boleh kita ketengahkan.
Dan cabaran tahun ni Badak, dengan tim-tim lain Selangor, Kedah, JDT memperkuatkan pasukan, bagaimana? Ada cabaran yang kita rasa akan lagi mencabar lah untuk tahun ni?
Saya rasa tahun ni mungkin akan lagi lebih mencabar. Bukan beberapa tim yang sedang prepare. Saya rasa semua tim yang prepare, terutama yang contohnya Sabah dah naik ke Liga Super, mesti dia akan prepare terbaik. Tapi bagi saya sendiri, saya rasa pasukan Perak ada kita punya strategi, ada kita punya cara untuk lakukan pada tahun 2020 ni lah.
Okey. Dan kita akan bertirahat kejap. Selepas ini kita akan bercakap bersama dengan dua muka baru pasukan Perak FA.
Kita bagi dia ni dulu, rasa dulu.
We're going for a short break. After this, two new faces. We're gonna let them talk. Okay, berehat kejap. Kita sambung lepas ini Perak FM.
Koma je.
Thank you, far too kind. Ready? Can I get an encore? Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise. Get him, Jay. Who you know fresher than Ho? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can none of y'all mirror me back? Yeah, hear me rap, it's like Hand G rapping his prime. I'm young H.O., raps Grateful Dead. Back to take over the globe, now break bread. I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express. Out the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Damn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open a hand with no pen? Just draw inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitations of these generations. Hardcore, do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. For one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise. What the hell are you waiting for? Look what you made me do. Look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? You first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drop a couple of hits, look how they wait to you. From Marcy to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, we're in the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you. Probably maim you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Sucker, take one for your team, and I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. For record sales, sold out concerts. Come up, you want this encore? I need you to scream till your lungs get sore. Come on.
I'm tired of being what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb.
Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
I've become so numb.
So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. One last time, I need y'all to roll.
Hai, saya Ahmad Karya Anwar atau Beto. Hai, saya Fidas Syadi atau Fi, pemain pasukan Perak FA. Jangan lupa dengarkan Main Sukan bersama Fahmi dan Fitri.
Kita berada dalam rancangan My Sukan di mana kita akan kongsikan info-info berkaitan sukan dari dalam dan juga luar negara. Ya, referee okey.
Referee pun saya sembang dengan dia. Okey. Tak kat Jepun lah.
Kat Jepun dengan referee. Nampak benar menipu. Kaki DVD ni. Okey. Live FB di Facebook
Radio Malaysia Perak FM. Boleh tengok kita punya live
Setiap hari Rabu 10 hingga 11 malam di Perak FM untuk koma aja.
Ya, Perak FM, hiburan berinformasi semestinya untuk koma aja. Masih lagi bersama dengan Fitri dan juga Fahmi untuk rancangan My Sukan pada hari ini. Laju kena laju sebab hari ni kita kena cepat. Okey, seperti mana larian pemain Perak yang datang pada hari ini.
Okey, kalau anda nak saksikan live FB, terus ke FB Radio Malaysia Perak FM. Terima kasih untuk semua yang bersama dengan kami di Facebook ini. Banyak sangat namanya, tak tersebut namanya, ramai sangat. Terima kasih semuanya. Dan seterusnya kita nak beralih lah. Kita masih lagi bersama dengan Pasukan Perak FA. Untuk malam ini sangat istimewa. Kita nak beralih kepada pemain import
yang baru
pemain pertahanan, Antony Paul Golec.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes, it's right.
Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Yeah, my name's Antony Golec. I'm from Australia, Sydney.
Yeah.
I'm 29, and last year I was playing in Liga 1 in Indonesia. And majority of my career I've been in Australia, but 4 or 5 years I've travelled and played around the world a little bit. So I'm here now in Malaysia, and I'm really excited and looking forward to the season ahead with Perak.
How's pre-season for you? New faces, new teammate. Is it difficult?
No, for me it's another pre-season. They're all the same. But it's exciting for me because it's a new challenge. All the players and the staff have welcomed me in, and I feel like I've been here already a few years. So for me, everything's been good. Working hard, training hard, and getting to know the staff and the players.
Okay. What can the fans expect from you? You mean your style of play? What can they expect from you?
Yeah, look, I'm a hard worker. I mean, as is everyone else in this team. But I pride myself on my hard work and never give up attitude. Look, I'll give my best week in, week out, and hopefully that's enough to help the team get those important results. But yeah, look, like I said, for me, just work hard, and the rest, will take care of itself.
Okay, and another new face in the team, Cambodian international.
Yeah.
Play with Terengganu last season. Rasanya semua kenal.
Semua dah kenal. Kalau kata penyokong Perak ni dah biasa dah
pernah bermain di
nama ini.
Malaysia. Chantha Cherry bin, or we should call you Cherry.
Yes.
Cherry among his teammate.
Yeah.
They call him Cherry. Bit interesting because the first
game
opponent is up against Terengganu.
Unbelievable.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, for sure. It's a special game for me because I played there 2 years. I have my baby born there, so it's very like a special feeling for me. But now I'm with Perak, and I will do my best to get the best result we can over there.
Yeah, I'm sure you're looking forward to play there.
Yes.
What made you accept the offer from Perak?
Everything, because I know when I play as Terengganu, when we faced Perak, we was very excited. We know they're like one of the best team, and we always wanted to win them. So to join them is, for me, is to we can know they have success every year. They reach final or they win trophy. So I'm very happy and excited to join the team because I want to have success and be part of the family.
Yeah. Okay, Coach. This Saturday, Unity Shield. It's a game against Kedah. Kedah, a very tough opponent. What do you think about that?
Yeah, very tough opponent. They've recruited very well. They've signed a lot of good players, good foreign players, good local players. And Kedah will always be there. Kedah, JDT, Selangor, Pahang, Terengganu. So these are very strong teams. But Kedah, it's going to be a fantastic game. Last year we played there the first time and we lost. So hopefully this year we can have one back on them. But it's a very good incentive with the cup and the trophy, and the two states, the two presidents are very good friends and very good state friends. So may the best team win.
Yeah, hopefully we'll win this time.
Inshallah, yes. We'll try our best.
Yeah.
Okey, dan sekali lagi kita nak sekali lagi bersama dengan Badak nak tanya gandingan import pertahanan yang baru dan kemungkinan gandingan untuk keselbasan utama pada musim ini. Macam mana anda melihat gandingan bersama dengan Golec ni lah?
Setiap season bertukar
pasangan.
Bagi saya Antony ni memang satu pemain yang sangat pengalaman dan sebab tu saya join training dengan dia dah bermain dalam mungkin 2 atau 3 game per match. Memang saya dah nampak kombinasi saya dan dia, dan saya terus berharap dan dalam setiap training kami akan terus berkomunikasi untuk mantapkan lagi lah, terutama dari segi defending pada tahun ni lah. Dan saya berharap saya mampu menggaras tukar bersama dia sebagai pertahanan dengan pemain yang lain.
Dan mungkin juga Badak ada sasaran peribadi untuk musim ini bersama dengan Perak dan juga bersama dengan pasukan kebangsaan, mungkin ada sasaran
bersama dengan Malaysia kan.
Untuk sasaran untuk Perak, of course lah saya nak pertikaikan macam tahun lepas kami berada di tangga mungkin ke-5 dan 3. So saya harap tahun ni kita mampu pertikaikan ke mungkin the best 3 dan 1 cup untuk pasukan Perak lah, dan untuk pasukan kebangsaan dah semestinya sekarang kita dah tahu dan kita ada peluang untuk layak ke qualifier World Cup. So saya harap pada tahun ni saya dapat bahagian terbaik untuk pasukan Perak dan juga negara.
Okay, we're going for a short break. Kembali selepas ini. Terus kekal di Perak FM.
Cukup aja.
Up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tamina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Tamina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
I'm well on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, one A to Z. My sister's well on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, from east to west. My tea, waka, waka, my eh, eh. Waka, waka, my eh, eh. Singing sister, my zibu, yeah. 'Cause this is Africa.
Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Jungle, eh, eh. Jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Jungle, eh, eh. Jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Dengarkan berita sukan pada hari ini dengan perkembangan
Chop. Buat apa tu?
Nak baca berita sukan?
Tak payah berita sukan. Dengar aje main sukan.
Main sukan? Bila tu?
Main sukan setiap hari Rabu 10 sampai 11 malam di Perak FM.
Oh, cantik. Perak FM, hiburan berinformasi semestinya untuk koma aja. Kepada koma yang berada di Cameron Highland boleh terus untuk dengarkan Perak FM di frekuensinya 94.7 MHz.
Oh, Cameron Highland
Cameron Highland pun boleh dengar Perak FM.
Macam baru balik dari Cameron.
Oh ya, adalah lepas khusus daripada Cameron Highland.
Sejuk tak habis.
Oh, okey. Tapi sini lagi sejuk rasanya.
Lagi sejuk
Dalam kontin lagi sejuk.
Tapi panas bahang.
Bahang apa yang
kehangatan
akan berlaku pada minggu ni.
Jangan lupa kita nak kongsikan perlawanan di antara Perak bertemu Kedah Sabtu ini 9 malam di Stadium Perak di Ipoh ini.
Ya, itu
untuk perlawanan Unity Shield.
Ini merupakan kali yang kedua selepas tahun lepas kita bermain di Kedah. Di Stadium Darul Aman di mana kita tewas, dan mungkin ada misi balas dendam lah yang akan cuba dilaksanakan.
Dendam
lain macam bunyinya.
Perkataan situ. Okay, coach, last season we have Perak and PKMP. But this season the two team merge. How do you see this help the team?
I think this is a very good idea by our Chief Minister and the President, the management of Perak. It gives the young kids a chance to play, especially in the Premier League, and then hopefully they will do very, very well. We as coaches, we will go and see the games, and if they are very good, they can come to Perak 1. And some of my players who are not playing will go to Perak 2, will play games, will train, and I think this is a very, very good idea because there's a big future for the young kids now coming through, and we want to get Perak players as much as we can to develop and play for Perak 1. So Perak 2 is a stepping stone for these kids who have got a fantastic future. So they don't have to go to another state. We can keep them here and keep an eye on them, and hopefully these kids will be for the future of Perak 1.
They'll be playing in the Premier League next season.
Yes,
so it's a tough league too.
It's a very tough league, but football's not easy.
Okay, what is the target for Perak this season?
The target
for you personally?
For me, I wish I can win every game, and I wish I can win every trophy. As a coach, we never give up. We always try to do one game at a time and win as much games as we can, and look forward to winning something. Hopefully, inshallah, we can win something, bring back the fans. We won the Malaysia Cup after 18 years. We win the final of FA Cup after 13 years. So we've had some success, but hopefully we can go one better this year. We've lost some senior players, to be honest, but it's okay. This is football, and we will bring some youngsters. We've got some very good youngsters coming through, so it will take time. But what I see, I'm very happy. Very, very happy.
Hopefully we'll win something.
Inshallah, yes.
Beginning this Saturday.
We'll try.
Any last word to the fans?
We'll try. No, please come and support Perak. We are there for you. You are there for us. And if we have a full stadium, it's better for us because you can cheer the players on. The players are all young players, very good experienced players, foreigners. So it should be an exciting year for me and Perak and the whole state. So please support the team.
Okay.
Dan untuk Badak mungkin ada kata-kata akhir kepada peminat pasukan Perak The Barbaros menjelang Unity Shield Sabtu ni.
Untuk peminat dan juga penyokong, saya harap semua boleh datang penuhkan stadium, kerana sebagai pemain sendiri kita memerlukan penyokong untuk menyokong kami, memberikan extra energy lah cakap untuk kami sendiri. Dan memang kami berharap pada hari Sabtu ni adalah satu perlawanan yang agak besar lah buat kami. Kerana kami inginkan kemenangan untuk memberikan keyakinan untuk the first game nanti.
Jadi memang peminat memang mendambakan kemenangan untuk Indonesia pada kali ini. Jadi insyaAllah kita sama-sama pun doakan agar kejayaan itu beroleh kepada pasukan Perak.
Okay, for Antony, you've played in Indonesian league last year, so I'm sure there will be difference in terms of the fans. They are more fanatic than here.
Yeah, the fans, they're crazy fans in Indonesia, especially big club like Persija Jakarta and
the rivalry.
Yeah, it's there. There's the Persija and Persib Bandung rivalry. Arema and Surabaya, Persebaya. So yeah, the fans are pretty crazy there, but it was a good experience to see that and to see how Indonesians embrace football, and it was a good thing to see that how for them it's like a religion. And here as well in Malaysia, there's good fans here, and you know, football is it means a lot to them, and it's a bit different in Australia. We have many different sports, so to come to Asia, especially to Malaysia, and to see how the fans and the country embrace football, it's really good to see.
Yeah, it's the number one sports.
Yeah.
In Indonesia and Malaysia. Any last word to the fans?
Oh, like the coach said, you know, we're looking forward to a successful season. We will give our best, and we hope that the fans can come every game and support us. The more that come, obviously, the more it helps us players. So we will give our best, and we hope they will do that as well. And we're looking forward to a really good season.
Okay, thank you, Thierry. What are you hoping to achieve this season? Personally?
Like the coach said, I hope to get success and to have at least one trophy this season. And for the fan, I hope that they come cheers us at the stadium. We will need them every game, and we will do our best every day in every game for them also.
I'm sure you'll be looking forward to play Terengganu. Okay, first match lawan Terengganu 29 Februari di Stadium Sultan Mizan. Stadium baru dekat sana.
Maksudnya kembali ke sana.
Kembali ke sana. Aceh akan main menentang kita. Aceh bukan Kansas. Okay, any last word, Thierry?
Yes, see you guys on Saturday, and please come support us.
Okay, itu dia pemain-pemain pasukan Perak FA bersama dengan Coach Mehmet. Thank you very much, Coach. Thank you very much, you guys.
Thank you.
We wish you all the best. Good luck this Saturday. Thank you, Badak. Dan kita akan kembali selepas ini terus sekali Perak FM.
Semestinya untuk koma aja.
Don't wanna talk, I need